Hey guys, my name is Troy Limo, the founder of Denim Cartel, and today I am up north of Uganda, Yumbe district to be specific. And what you see behind me is a water pump, water that is generated from underground and is able to be cleaned and supplied to over 100 homesteads in Yumbe. And in case power goes off, there is a support system of solar panels that allows the homesteads to still keep on receiving water and a subsidized rate that would help them support themselves with clean water. This is an initiative backed up by the EU, by the way, and special thanks to the EU. I feel like this is an initiative that many other organizations can pick up from, and just to support communities in Uganda and people who can't get such services or are unable to pay for such services. Yeah, it's a great job, backed by EU, Denim Cartel, Cartel Business. We out here.